Assalamualaikum friends, I am Maida Said and you are watching Kingdom Information YouTube channel. Today we will let you know about some WhatsApp tricks. So guys, before moving towards our topic, please tap subscribe button and press bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. It's WhatsApp time. Do you use WhatsApp? 90% of mobile users uses WhatsApp. Let me tell you some tricks and tips. If you want to become the master of WhatsApp, you must learn these tips and tricks. And at the last of this video, I will tell you one trick which can save your data and your money too. So while we are wasting our time, let's move to our mobile screen. You were sending voice messages before on WhatsApp, but now you can send video messages too. So you have to click on this button. So it will switch to video messages, and now you can send video messages. It has a timer too. Hi, I'm Maida Said. And now have a listen. Hi, I'm Maida Said. If you want to keep your message confidential and secret in WhatsApp, just go to the account which you want to keep secret. Then you have to press this, and there is an option of chat lock. You have to press it, and you have to on this lock this chat with fingerprints, and you have to give your fingerprint here. And that's it. This is not seen here. If you are searching, then this is and you have to give your fingerprint to unlock it. And that's it. If you want to check who has seen your message in a group, long press on your message and press these three dots, and then you have to press info, and now you can see who has seen it. So I have to show you one font trick. If you want to give your message bold, you have to just add this element at the last and at the start of your sentence or word. Just look at it. This is how you can see your message bold. Pictures you were sharing before by WhatsApp were compressed quality and destroyed. Now you can send and face pictures in a high quality. Just put the account to whom you have to send pictures and tap on this button and tap on the gallery button. Now select the album you want. Then you have to share a pic, and you have to press a button on the top side which is HD, and you have to press HD quality and done. Now you have to send it. So this is the HD quality, and this is the before quality. Look the difference. In writing conversation, if any message sent with mistake, now you cannot need to delete the whole message. Just long press your message and press the three dots and press the edit button, and now you can correct the spelling mistake very quickly. During your daily life, you do receive so many unnecessary and unknown calls. In order to avoid such calls, you have to press these three dots and you have to press settings. You have to press privacy and you have to press call, and you have to on the silence unknown callers. If an unknown caller calls you, it didn't make an call. If you want to have a group call like Teams and Zoom by sharing link, now you have the option available in WhatsApp. So first you have to go to calls, you have to press share call link, you have to choose your call type, I will select video call, then you have to link copied यहाँ पे, and then you have to press share link, then you have to press WhatsApp, and that's it. Now you can video call with them. So guys, if you want to share a message or location to anyone without saving the number in your contact list, you have to first go to this button. Now this is you message yourself. You have to press it and you have to write her number, her or his number. Now click on this number and then you have to press chat with this number, and then you have to chat with this number, and you can also share your location. Guys, if you want to chat with yourself, there is an option in WhatsApp too. So first you have to go to this button and you have to press this message yourself, you, and then you can message with yourself, and you can also save as this number for notes, documents and some other important things. During your daily life, you do receive so many unnecessary and unknown calls. In order to avoid such calls, you have to press these three dots and you have to press settings. You have to press privacy and you have to press call, and you have to on the silence unknown callers. If an unknown caller calls you, it didn't make an call. Guys, I'm going to tell you one trick. So first you have to go to this clip, and then you have to press pause, and then you have to ask any question with options. And that's it. You can send a poll too. So this setting is very important for you. Seriously guys, if you have not done it, do it now. What are you doing? Go to these three dots, press settings, now press chats, now press chat backup. Now you have to press Google account. Now you have to change your account, Now you have to press back to daily drive. Now you have to press daily, and that's it. The next setting is privacy related. Sometimes you got irritated that who has added you in a group. So now you have one option. So go to your settings and now press tap privacy checkup. Now you have to press groups. Now press my contacts. Now take it easy. No other than contacts would be able to add you in any group. Lastly, but not the least, this setting will save your money. How? Chalo, let me tell you. First of all, go to 3 dots, press setting, then go down and press storage and data. Now press when using mobile data and off all options. Now press OK and on use less data for calls. Now what will happen? No data will be downloading automatically until you would allow. It means it will save mobile data. Mobile data will be saved. Means money will be saved. And guys, that's money. We have learned some very important tips and tricks and settings. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel more and more. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.